Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm sharing a really sweet fairy card with you. So to start with, I've got 3 different stamp sets, but use whichever stamps that you like. This card's super easy to make. The only thing that takes a little bit of time is the colouring. So I've just gone ahead and die cut that cover plate die using some white card, and then I'm just roughly placing some stamps of where they're roughly going to be when the images are coloured. And next I'm going ahead and quickly stamping out all my images using my Misty. And now I'm going to be doing some Copic colouring, and if you want to skip this step, if you go to 412 it will be on the next stage. And now all the Copic colouring's done, I've got all the coordinating dies, so I'm just going to go and secure these down and quickly run them through my die cutting machine. Now I'm just working on my background, so I've got some Distress Oxide inks that I've listed on the screen, and I'm also using the Time for Tea Beautiful blender brushes to help me apply the Distress ink onto this die cut piece. So now I'm just working on the pink sky, and I will bring in a purple colour soon. But I do go over with the bundled sage again at the bottom of the card just to make sure it all nicely blends together. And this is one of them cards where I kept applying the ink and it I thought it was going to come out really bad, because sometimes they do, and I was quite happy with the end result, so I just kept going and not giving up. So don't be disheartened if your ink blending looks not that great to start with. Just keep going, and sometimes you'll be really surprised with the end result. So now I've got my blank DL card, and I wanted to add a bit of colour to this just to make all the colours blend nicely together. So I've started going in with some faded jeans, and I will check just to see if it goes with the ink blended panel, and I wanted it to be a little bit darker, so I've added some chipped sapphire to this card, and then I'm going to go ahead and quickly secure this down using some double-sided tape. And then next I'm going to be working on my sentiment, so I'm going to be heat embossing a thank you, which is from the Garden Fairy stamp set, and I've used some white embossing powder, and then I've also used there's a coordinating die in with the dies, so I've just run that through my die cutting machine, and I'm going ahead and adhering everything down onto my card. And then to finish the card off, I've just added a couple of sequins that I've adhered down using some tacky glue. And that's it, the card's complete. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye.